Alright, welcome to Villa Media Productions. Before I forget, I wanted to do this quick video on this kit here that I bought for 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a picture up of it. Comes with a lot of parts. I just finished using it. Let me take out the size I was using. It has these little drill bits that it screw into here, and basically I cut a few holes that I needed to cut for this uni-seal on this filter that I'm building. And I said, let me do this quick video. This kit was 20 bucks, so it was a good price. I got this Craftsman here. I think I paid 10 bucks if memory serves me right. I got this one. I got another one that's bigger. Now granted, I think this will cut everything, but it's not as deep, so it won't cut as thick of a piece of wood or plastic, whatever it is you're cutting. I bought this primarily to cut plastic. I bought this one before, but I needed a hole. I needed a bigger size for this, so I bought that kit. It was only 20 bucks. This one's a little smaller, but yeah, I just wanted to do that video. $20 from, let me see the name of this thing again. Hychika. So that's it. I thought it was a good deal. So I mean, you have, I don't know, 6 or 7 rings, 10 rings. That's a whole lot of cutting if you need to, different sizes. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick video before I forget. And thanks for watching Villa Media Productions.